Hey guys, welcome back to From Head to Toe. Today I'm doing another nail art video. Sorry it's been a while. So I'm doing on how to fix up your nails. You can see that it's already painted. This really pretty fall colors by Etsy. The color name is, it's Rocky Rose. Yeah, I'll link it down in the description. So this is when you've already painted your nails, but they started to chip on the edges. As you can see, obviously didn't do a great job capping it. So we're just going to be doing a quick little fix up, and I dented my nail right there, as you can see. I really like this color. I don't want to take it off and then have to redo it, so I'm going to shake this real quick. I know you're supposed to like roll it, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm just going to go along and just cap the edges. What I mean by capping it is you just drag the brush along the end of your nail, or the free edge. Sorry, it's kind of out of focus right here. So I'm just going to go and do that to all of my nails. Okay, so once I'm done with that, you can see I didn't do that great of a job, so I'm just cleaning up under my nails with my other nail. And I'm going to do that real quick, and you can see they look great. Now I'm going to do the other hand, so I'm just going to fix that little divot on my thumb by going right over it. Sorry, it's like really out of focus right now. Anyways, and then I'm going to do the rest of my nails, just capping the edge like I did with the other ones, including my thumb. And I'm going to do that, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and already put a top coat on my other hand because it's just easier to do it off camera. So now I'm going to go and put a top coat on my normal hand. Well, not my normal hand, the easier hand. So I'm just going to go and put it on my thumb. I'm almost out of this top coat. I'm very sad because it's one of my favorite top coats. I love it. I'll put a link down in the description below. So I'm gonna go and do that, and then I'll be back after. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Just went and finished capping all the free edge with the top coat and putting it all over again. So it was pretty easy. It didn't take a lot of time, as you could see. And yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for my nails to dry and then see the real shots. Bye!